What is it?
Okay, Sophie, do you want to hear a story? Because I've got a great story for you. You ready? There once was a protein called TPD52. TPD stands for tumor protein, which is bad. But that's okay because it's only a bad protein if it's out of control. So one time, there was a freshly made TPD52 protein that came right out of the endoplasmic reticulum. And it was really excited to be a new protein. And so it went, like all new proteins, to the UPS of the cell called the Golgi department. And the Golgi got packaged, and it was all ready to go to the apical membrane, which is its new home. But poor TPD52 didn't know how to get to its new home. So he went to the Golgi department and he said, "Hey, how do I get to my new home?" And he's like, "Well, we've got this great truck for you. It's called myelin and lymphocyte protein 2. So on hops TPD52 to myelin and lymphocyte protein 2, also known as MAL2, make that easy, and MAL2 transported TPD52 to the basolateral plasma membrane. But that's not where TPD52 needed to go. It needed to go to the apical plasma membrane. So TPD52 talked to MAL2 and said, "Wait, this is not my home. I need to go to the apical membrane." So myelin and lymphocyte protein said, "Okay, that's easy." So they hopped the actin highway and made their merry way through the subapical compartment with all the beautiful views it entailed. And finally, they made it to the apical membrane, where TPD52 was happy and could play with the other proteins. And they had a lovely, lovely ending, and then MAL protein brought in more and more friends, and they played forever on the apical membrane. The end.
Yay!
She's smiling. She smiled when TPD52 got home. Yeah, isn't that nice?
Where did you come up with this?
It's a true story.
Huh?
It's a true story. It's a true story.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's not a fictional story.
Actually, I kind of use some like artistic license because it doesn't actually follow the actin pathway. The actin filaments are only used to tie off the vesicles.
Oh, well, so tell her. She never has to know. They always change some factual data when they make
Yeah,
it.
it ruins the story.
Someday they'll make a movie and they'll be like, based on a true
You're
story.
so lucky.
A tale of adventure.
You're so
A
lucky.
tale of courage.
No, I could make that into a Disney movie, you know.